Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Somebody requested a video on Rivian and they wanted some TA on this. So I'm gonna make this fast because there's not much TA to really do on Rivian. This is basically what I had on my chart since February 23rd. And so far it's played out nicely. I think for right now, we did come back down here to this bottom of channel to 10 bucks. I think we're headed for $12 right now, right? So scenario played out where we were bullish. I think right now there's one of two things that can happen. We're gonna do this, drop back down, or you're gonna break this trend channel. You're gonna keep going up towards 1381, 14 bucks. You just closed a bull trigger on Rivian on the day. So I definitely look into this possibly heading more upwards towards 1374, possibly filling this gap at 1546. So I am pretty bullish for, I don't know, roughly the next 2 weeks or so on Rivian. We can also kind of confirm this because Tesla, right? Tesla is on a bull trigger, and on the weekly, Tesla closed, a bull week trigger back here at 199. So technically, if you wanted shares, right, these are my custom indicators. You can get them at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. You can't grab them anywhere else. They're not free. Right, last time we had a weekly close, boom, ran. Weekly close, boom, ran. Right, so we just closed a weekly trigger on Tesla here at 199. Right, so if you wanted shares, that's your cue to pick some up, right, or some longer term calls. But I think that because Tesla is still pretty bullish towards the upside, I think it's going to hit at least 207, right, the top of this trend. I think Rivian's going to head the same way. So I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.